Joining me, the Central Valley School District has also drafted Title IX complaints to the Departments of Education and Justice about Washington's transgender athlete participation policy.
The board discussed 3 different versions of the complaint at a board meeting last night. The letters raised concerns over conflicting federal and state laws over transgender athlete participation. It asked the federal government to intervene and open an investigation into OSPI and the WIAA. No action was taken last night, and the board will reconvene at a later date.
The Meade School Board also discussed issues with conflicting state and federal state laws in regards to transgender students last night. Board members delayed their vote on a newly proposed transgender policy that favored federal law over state law after they said OSPI urged them not to pass the policy just hours before their meeting. They did not provide a timeline for when they would revisit their vote.
A new survey from the nonprofit newsroom called 19th News shows America is split pretty evenly when it comes to lawmakers focusing on transgender issues. The survey shows 49% of people don't want politicians focusing on these topics. That's up from 43% last year. The poll also asked people whether they supported legislation for gender-affirming care. 59% said they favor the rights of transgender adults to access gender-affirming care, which includes hormone therapy for those seeking to transition. But only 43% said they support this same type of care for minors.
Here today to fight for equality, to fight for opportunity, to fight for freedom.
Meanwhile, Senate and House Democrats reintroduced the Equality Act today. The legislation would amend the Civil Rights Act of 1964 to explicitly ban discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity in employment, housing, education, public accommodations, jury service, and federally funded programs.